Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and I call this a hamburger helper. This is one of those dishes that you want to get through with right quick and make a good meal for your family. Serve it with garlic bread and a good salad. I call this a hamburger helper. I love to do a little simple dish when you have the weekend off and then you come back Monday looking for a meal. So I got pasta shells in here and tomatoes, hamburger, bell peppers and onions, not creamy, but a thick, rich sauce. This hamburger helper is homemade, and look how smoky it is. You will love this recipe. This is Sandra. You get this recipe at soulfoodqueen.net, and you'll have an easy, super recipe. This is Sandra. Thank you for coming by and watching my channel.